Yeah, the judges gave both sides one last chance to come together, work on the maps, come to some sort of agreement, but that did not happen, so the case will go to trial tomorrow morning. The lawsuit was filed by former Democratic lawmaker Judy Robson and the group Voces de la Frontera. The groups argued that the Republican lawmakers made the maps in secret and aren't being fair to minority voters.
The process was done behind closed doors. It was secret. It was not transparent. It wasn't democratic. They didn't have hearings.
We know that the way that the map was created, it's actually diluting the number of Latino voters.
This lawsuit is important because it can help decide who represents you for the next 10 years. Senator Scott Fitzgerald and Representative Jeff Fitzgerald would not comment today, but this is what they told me about redistricting back in July when the maps were passed.
Redistricting is a tough thing. People lose, sometimes they lose the hometown they represented or whatever, but it all depends on the way the population shakes out.
I think you'd see a very similar map, even if it was drawn by a court.
The panel of 3 judges in federal court disagree and told the lawmakers to go back to the drawing board or the judges will make the final call.
Still represent 5.5 million other people in the state of Wisconsin.
Wongard is facing a recall and challenged some recall signatures, saying the recalls should be in his new district. Those involved in the lawsuit say new maps need to be redrawn.
The legislature could fix this if they wanted to, but there's an arrogance about the leaders.
And we reached out to the state Republican Party and to the governor who signed that redistricting bill into law. Neither would comment. On your side in downtown Milwaukee, Lacey Crisp, today's TMJ.